The private certificate authority feature, folks, is now GA. This is a really, really cool feature. We're very, very proud of it. It started off as a result of some collaboration with the ThinEdge team, but we've discovered that lots of customers actually wanted this, whether or not they're using ThinEdge. So we can now actually create a certificate authority on Cumulocity. We can generate certificates for you. We can manage the life cycle for you. So this is really, really cool news. So I would encourage everybody who hasn't yet looked at using certificate-based authentication. There is now absolutely no reason why you shouldn't actually start dipping your toe in the water. This is best in breed authentication at the moment. This isn't a chargeable feature. It's provided to you by Cumulocity. Yes, Cumulocity does sign the certificates. So it's not signed by an expensive authority. It's designed for use with Cumulocity, but it's a very, very good way of starting out on your certificate authentication journey. And so just as a reminder, there we go. Just as a reminder, we did do this work with ThinEdge, so now we've actually got a full certificate-based authentication right from ThinEdge right way through to Cumulocity. So this is just really, really good news. We're very, very proud of this work. And the last thing I wanted to talk about was our Cumulocity Trust Centre. So this isn't actually within the product per se. These are audits. It lists all of the audits that we've been through. We're very proud to have continued to have got SOC 2 audit. Anybody that's been through the SOC 2 audit will know that's a very long, very arduous audit to actually get through. So we've got that compliance, as well as all of the relevant ISO compliance certificates as well. So if you go to the Trust Centre, I've put the URL up there. We've also got things like our processes and procedures that a lot of IT departments are now requesting. So analogous to that, we've actually been working with a lot of customers around new legal requirements coming on board. Things like CRA, NIS2, the EU Data Act. We're all actually in a position where we're trying to actually understand, what does this mean for us? What do we have to do? What should we do? What's the minimum that we can do as a beginning point so that we don't fall foul of legals, but it's all being updated at such a rate. So with that in mind, what the marketing team have actually done, which is absolutely brilliant, they've started to pull together these white papers, deep dives. They're actually going across Cumulocity. So this isn't marketing stuff. They've actually been working with our professional services team. They've been working with our Chief Information Security Officer. I've been actually doing some work with them. So they're actually gathering all of the knowledge from Cumulocity, putting these into really useful papers, and we're going to be creating what we will call our regulatory hub. So if any of you have any questions about any other legal requirements that are coming up on your radar that you would actually like us to comment on, take a view on what has to be done, what should be done, what can be done, please do get in touch with us. You've got all of our email addresses. Get in touch with us and we'll be happy to actually work with you and create new white papers or create a paper with you as a co-author.